Hey guys, today's video is all about Kari putting up with Gus. Hey guys, I'm Mark with The Art of Rving. If you're not a subscriber, be a subscriber. Hit that red subscribe button in here. I don't know where it is. If you're a returning viewer, thank you, thank you, thank you. And today, it's all about Gus putting up with Kari. Or would that be Kari putting up with Gus? I think that's more like it. Let me tell you a little story, and my name is Gus. I'm a crabby little camper and I like to cuss. Then one day I was fighting with my wife and I said, forget this. It started my RV life. Gus, the crabby camper.
Your hair is oh, okay. He wants to know if you do your own roots.
No, hell no. I wouldn't go to a beauty parlor. I go to the poodle salon.
Okay, so I know.
I'm a little embarrassed to be on your live stream. I'm too good for your live stream.
Oh, please.
Yeah, I'm too good. I'm too good.
We may not ask you back if you're not nice.
Don't ask me back.
Yeah.
I don't care. This is a gold medal that I got when for boxing in the Olympics. Yeah. Oh, yeah. What's it?
It looks kind of like karate.
And you wouldn't know the difference. Yeah, just get off my rainbow, baby. Don't question me. Do not question me.
And she wants to know how old you are.
27.
27.
27. Yeah, that's it.
Okay,
27.
awesome.
I just bald quick.
It's okay. Okay, so we know you're a boxer.
I just wanted them right now.
Okay. Gus.
I'll tell you what. Just because you're hot, hot as a pepper and cool as a Mexican brew.
Still don't know what that means.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah.
Because I like that blue wrench because I want to knock someone in the head with that thing.
Oh,
Get that blue wrench out. Get that blue wrench. Knock that head out.
Love that hair.
Yeah.
Yes.
If I have to go to the... My hair fell off.
Oh,
Put my hair back on.
Gus, okay.
I'm a little technical
Okay,
difficulty here.
okay, here we go.
Oh my God. Easy. I can't see. I can't see. If you have to go to the bathroom, type in
Oh my gosh.
P. If you have to do more than that, type in PU.
Okay, hold still.
I'll be John Cena. John Cena!
Way to go!
Oh yeah, I kicked his butt. First of all, I did the back breaker. I broke his back first, and I did a palm driver.
Oh, ow, that looks painful.
Knocked him out. Yeah, I'm the champion now. What are you doing?
Do you care if I take your mask off?
Do whatever you want. You can take off anything you want of me.
Oh, wow.
Whatever you want, take it off.
Oh, my goodness. You are fancy tonight.
I am fancy tonight. I just got back from South Dakota in Fashion Week. Let me tell you something about you guys that don't like fur.
He is rocking it.
Yeah, go to your closet and see if you're wearing shoes.
That's not fair.
Yeah, oh yeah, that's fair. That's fair. You wearing leather, you can kill the dead cow.
I don't get that.
Oh, you wouldn't get it because your brain's so small.
God.
Oh, I'm sorry, I'm just pissed off. I'm always pissed off because I'm
Wow.
I'm a fancy boy.
That's a good idea.
I'm just a little fancy boy walking around with my fur.
Okay, you're going to offend someone.
I care.
You're not a fancy boy.
This is just what my blindfold that I wore when I was walking across the tightrope when I broke the world championship Guinness Book of World Records across the Snake River in Idaho.
That is impressive.
Yeah, I know it's impressive.
Wow.
As soon as I can move my mouth when I'm talking. You know why the tiger was trying to eat me when I was tightrope walking?
Why?
Because I look like a well-balanced meal.
Wait, Camper Life thinks it looks like you're wearing a bra.
Yeah, well,
Why is that?
You need one. You need one. Yeah, you need one. Bounce slide. Bounce slide. Bounce slide. Bounce slide. Bounce slide. Oh, my hair came off.
What does this mean, son? Oh, gosh.
My hair came off. Put my hair back on.
Oh, in your ear.
Put my hair back
Another
on.
ear. What in the world is going on?
Put my hair back on.
Thank you.
Oh, you smell good.
Oh, thank you.
You're
Okay,
awesome.
Camper Life calls.
Whoa! Shut the hell up! Shut up!
Tell us about that.
And I won the bronc bucking championship of the world. I rode that bronc until he was tame. Oh, my hat fell off. I've seen MJ on her video.
Yeah.
You know what I think about her? She is hot.
Yeah.
Oh, she's hot.
Yeah.
Oh, she's hot. She needs to dump that. What's that guy's name? Lizzie?
It's Lizzie.
Oh, Lizzie?
Yeah.
Because I'll get you some chocolate.
Oh.
Oh, I'll get you some champagne and some strawberries.
Oh.
And I'll reap those dividends. Woo! Woo! Dividends, dividends, dividends. You know something, Jerry Holly? Let me tell you something. Usually Jerry Holly, when you think of Holly, what do you think of? Gonna have a holly jolly Christmas. Well, they need to change his last name from Holly to Holler. He's a hollerer.
Oh, kind of like you?
He's me. I'm not a holler. I'm not a holler. You just asked me. I would love for you to show how awesome Debbie is. Look at my baby picture. Now, that is one sweet picture. Yeah. What she sees in that string bean, dirty haired hippie freak, I'll never know. I just got back from Honolulu, Hawaii. Woo! Oh, my hat fell off. I won the World Championship from 7. Oh, crap. Oh, darn. Oh, sorry. Okay, yeah, but you know what?
Do you need a tissue for your issue?
No, but I could take something else. Are you offering something? Yeah.
I am not.
You know what you call a surfer who just broke up with her girlfriend?
His girlfriend?
Yep.
What?
Homeless. Live on the beach. Okay, I'm ready to go.
Okay.
Ooh, your hair smells like grapevine. I mean,
It does?
Yeah, kind of like grapes.
I
Ooh,
see you.
I just saw Mark. Hey, get the hell out. Okay, whoa. I bought some of that shoulder.
Bite
I bought
me.
some of that shoulder.
I have one more little thing though.
You can tell me anything you want.
Donovan.
One more thing.
Donovan.
One more.
Would you?
One.
Gus?
What?
Okay.
What?
RV on the wayside. He wants to know if you have chest hair.
It's your business, but I'm going to tell you something right now.
Oh,
Wow.
look!
Pull some of that out there for me, honey. Check out this.
I would rather not
Yeah,
touch
go
it.
ahead. I want to show some of this chest hair, man. Go ahead, pull a lot of it out of there. There's a whole bunch. Look at this hair. Look at this hair. Oh, yeah, that's good. Hey, you pulled my hair out. You pulled my hair out. Hey, what are you doing? You're supposed to pull my hair out. Hey, this thing's going crazy. Let me tell you a little story, and my name is Gus. I'm a crabby little camper, and I like to cuss. Then one day, I was fighting with my wife, and I said, forget this. It started my RV life. Gus, the crabby camper. Don't talk to me.